Good day everyone, we are Group 8 and today we'll discuss general annuity focusing on its future value and present value. So what is general annuity? An annuity is a series of equal payments made at regular intervals when the payment period and compounding period are not the same. That's what we call a general annuity. There are two main types of general annuity. First is the ordinary general annuity or the OGA. Payments are made at the end of each period. The second is the general annuity due or the GAD. Payments are made at the beginning of each period. Here are the formulas we use. Future value is equals to R multiplied by the quantity of 1 plus I raised to the power of n minus 1 over I. Present value is equals to R multiplied by the quantity of 1 minus quantity of 1 plus I raised to the power of negative n over I. These formulas help us find how much our savings or investments will grow in the future and how much a future amount is worth today. We have prepared a real-life situation about a general annuity. The title of a real-life situation is A Family Discusses How to Save for Tuition.
Mom, Dad, college tuition is really expensive. How can we save and have money before I graduate senior high?
That's a good question, Leslie. We can start saving a little by little, but with proper plan.
Right. I was thinking of depositing a fixed amount regularly in a saving account, but I'm not sure how much we will earn in total.
Hi everyone, I heard you're planning to save for college. I can help you. We'll use concept of general annuity.
Oh, general what?
General annuity is when you make equal payments at regular times, but the interest is compounded on a different schedule.
Oh, like when deposit quarterly, but that the bank compounds monthly.
Exactly. That's general annuity. Let's say you deposit 2,000 every quarter at 8% interest, compounded monthly for 5 years. Let's find out how much it will grow.
Let's solve your plan using the concept of future value of a general annuity. This is the given. And now we will solve it. That's the total savings after 5 years.
So, after 5 years, we all have 48,340 in the account.
Exactly. That's how your money grows over time. The future value of your regular savings.
But how about the present values? What if we want to know how much 48,340 is to work today?
Good questions, James. Let's find it.
If we want to know how much 48,340 is worth today, let's solve for present value. That means depositing 2,000 every quarter today is enough to reach your 48,340 goal in 5 years.
Now I understand. The future values show how our savings will grow. Will the present value help us know how much to invest now?
Oh.
Perfect. That's the power of understanding general annuity. It helps families plan financially and reach their goals.
Thanks, Jeffrey. Now, I am confident we can save for college tuition.
Agree. With discipline and plan, we make it happen.
Team annuity for win.
To summarize, general annuity helps us understand how money changes value over time when payments and compounding periods are different. By using the formulas for future value and present value, we can make smarter financial decisions.
Hello everyone, we are Group 8. I'm signing off.